Hi, thanks for taking a few minutes to learn about Solace and our platform PubSub Plus. So our core value for SAP customers is that we can help you enable real-time event-driven communication between your SAP applications and systems and anything and everything else you might have running across your enterprise. So you may be thinking, how is this different from what we can or do get from our existing integration technologies? Well, our event brokers actually run below the integration layer at the runtime data movement level of your technologies. Our event brokers can be deployed as an appliance, as software, and as a service, on-prem, in virtual private clouds, and in public clouds, and easily connected to form an event mesh, which is what's represented by the green lines in this diagram. Once created, the event mesh will stream events and other data dynamically, reliably, and securely across your distributed enterprise. And the events are pushed to and through the event broker in real time as the events are occurring, as the data is changing, as things are happening. So your applications and systems and the people accessing them don't have to wait minutes or hours or more for the latest data to arrive. And they'll only receive the specific data they're interested in, the specific event notifications they've subscribed to. PubSub Plus Powered Event Mesh can support a wide variety of digital transformation projects involving SAP tech, but I'll highlight three. The first is that PubSub Plus can be the digital backbone for event-driven integration across your distributed enterprise. It can help you enable real-time event-driven communication between new cloud-native services and SaaS and systems that run on-prem like ECC. The second use case I'd highlight is data lake hydration. An event mesh can be a riverbed for real-time event streams that flow to your cloud data lakes from virtually any SAP technology, including SAP ECC. And the last use case I'll highlight is digital supply chain. An event mesh can intelligently route customized, filtered streams of IoT data from literally tens of thousands of vessels, sensors, and control systems to applications, analytics engines, and to users so that they can make smarter decisions. There are a lot more use cases that Event Mesh can support. I encourage you to check those out at solace.com/SAP.